our milk. 12 quarter. Welcome back, friends. Thank you for tuning in again. So Thanksgiving is over and you get left with stuff like this. Backbones, carcasses like this. This is from a turkey that I deboned for a sous vide. All the stuff from it, the neck, wishbone, and this is the bones from the thighs, a little bit of loose skin, wingtips, a little bit of everything. So this won't go to waste. I'm gonna roast these at 450 on the pellet grill here, heating up behind me, almost coming up to temp for 15-20 minutes, then flip them again, just get a nice color on them, and then I'll throw them in a stock pot with some aromatics. Okay? So my pellet grill is up to temp. I don't know if you can see that right there, 450. We're gonna roast these bones for 15-20 minutes and then throw them in a stock pot. Add some onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. Just a rough chop. This will cook for hours. Some celery. Some garlic. We're just gonna smash. So here's our mirepoix. I have carrots, celery, onions, some garlic, some olive oil. Should be good. Now it's time to put in the veggies. This is a high burner, high BTU burner. Now I see a little fun building up in the bottom of the stock pot. So it's time to deglaze with some white wine. Scrape that bottom, get all that fun out. Let's check on this turkey now. Oh yeah, I think we have the color we need. So we're gonna add this to our stock pot and scrape the bottom of that tray. That's all flavor we're gonna add to our stock pot, and then bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a few hours. All right. We're gonna dump all these juices in here as well and scrape all these bits, add them to the stock pot. Now we're adding water to this stock pot. So this is 12 quarts. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but almost. Yeah, that's good. So once this comes to a boil, we're gonna lower the heat and simmer it for a few hours, and our stock is ready. And then we're gonna strain it, of course. Some stuff is building up on top of this stock, so I let it to come to a boil, and I switch burners. I use the another burner I have here that's more powerful than this one to bring this 12 quart of liquid to a boil. Now that we have it on a boil, I can leave it to simmer here. This one has less BTUs, but it's perfect for simmering this liquid for a few hours. I'm gonna clean all this scum here, and then as you see, it has a small boil, not too crazy, almost a simmer. Once this reduces a little bit, I'll strain it. A few hours later, stock is finished simmering. Now we're gonna fish out all the big chunks before we strain it. Meat is just full of the bone, but I doubt if it's any good. Be cooking for a few hours. I'd say 6-7 hours, but on low simmer, really low simmer. The reduction is not too much. We're gonna find out. We started with 12 quart of water. This pot is 16 quart, so with all the bones and water, it filled up all the way to the top. A strainer, and we're gonna go at it now. All right. This is our stock. We started, excuse me, we started with 12 quart. Now we're down to 6 quart. So this reduced by half. Turkey stock is ready. This was in the fridge for almost a day. The fat got solid on top. 12 quart of water yield 6 quart of stock. You can use this for soup, stews, adds another layer of flavor to your food. This is it, friends. Thank you for tuning in again. If you like this content, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. You have to great deal. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.